Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, it feels good to be here. Good evening. Ladies and gentlemen, please, I'd like you to look at your neighbor sitting very close to you. If he or she is looking handsome or fine, I want you to look at your neighbor and say, wow. Come on, look at your neighbor. Look at your neighbor. If your neighbor is looking handsome or fine, I want you to look at your neighbor and say, wow. If your neighbor not too fine, shake and tell her, my brother, my sister, it is well. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is MC Mayor. But very quickly, I want to advise all the ladies, please, this is Nigeria. If you cannot speak English, speak your mother tongue, who will understand you. One girl, they find me come from Majangbadi. I stay in Sulere, but they Thomas. Now tell the girl, say, now, when you get to Shita roundabout, call me. The girl got to Shita roundabout, call me. He said, Mayor, I'm at Shita roundabout. I said, okay. Take a keke na pep, tell them to start to build at Bode Thomas Junction. The girl reached Bode Thomas, call me. He said, Mayor, I'm at Bode Thomas Junction. I said, okay. Turn left. Do you see the MTN office? She said, yes. I said, pass that office. After that MTN office, you see the Bode Thomas police station. My house is adjacent that station. Normally, it's supposed to take you 2 minutes to my house. 3 hours, I never see the girl. Now they call her, Biliki, where are you? She said, I just got to Aja bus stop. Adjacent, you go Aja. I say, you not lost, so. One girl speak English almost end church service on Sunday for my church. She just say her friend, hello. And all this, you know, one thing I don't really like about the island ladies, they make comedians look stupid. You crack joke, we supposed to make girl laugh. The highest laugh you go get now. Because if they laugh too much, their makeup will crack. Because they make you as the comedian, they feel bad, like say the joke no enter. And I tell you, now listen, please, I want to tell you here tonight, if you go church, not be everything we man of God talk for church, you say amen to. 2015, as a comedian, for the first time in my life, I traveled out of the shores of this country. I went to the UK. I don't know if you believe, you believe. Let me know when I go. I was part of the privileged comedians that went to the UK with basketball for basketball on Sensor. When they call me, I shock. Basketball said, Mayor, you're going on tour with me. I said, thank you, sir. 2 weeks later, on a Thursday morning, he called me. He said, Mayor, you guys will be going for your HIV test. We need to know your HIV status. Ladies and gentlemen, we're 5 of us. Me, Buchi, Ajebaba, Osama, and MC Casino, all the way from Benin. My brother, my sister, Rose, you never go do HIV test before. Doctor, for all your result, they tell you, my brother, do you know some people live with this thing? Even if AC did that office, it go be like, say, the guy hit will go hold you. We went on a Thursday. They say, come back the next day, being Friday. We reach on Friday, only my result don't come out. Doctor, they tell me, Mayor, you need to come back on Monday. Now, Buchi look me, say, Mayor, he say, oh, your Kurukere movement, you don't happen. I said, bro, that's why they talk like this. He said, how can 5 people do this? They say, only you come back on Monday. You don't get up. I said, God forbid. My brother, where are they house they think? I said, which kind of problem is this? A home me, now HIV working. God forbid. Where they think? Now my friend called me. He said, Mayor, Alpha, I said at their house. He said, what did you do on Sunday night? I said, nothing. He said, they are having revival night. My brother, I think, where else will you be on a Sunday night? God can change that result on Monday morning. My brother, now we did the church. And I don't say, no, be everything way man of God tell you, they say amen to. We did church. Now man of God come out. He said, brethren, tonight is your night of liberation. I was in my innermost chamber, and as I was praying, the Lord told me, there's somebody here tonight. There's something dead in you. But after this encounter tonight, that thing that is dead in you will rise again. My brother, where are they listening at me? He said, begin to pray. Now stand up. Begin to pray. One prayer point. Father, that result tomorrow morning, let it be negative. Why they pray? All of a sudden, I just noticed a pastor touched me. He said, my brother. I said, yes. He said, my brother, that thing you are expecting tomorrow morning will be positive. I said, no. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is MC Mayor. Thank you, and that's my time.